Kolla du, där är den första alligatorn, kolla. Oj. Den ligger där och chillar.
Men är det en skulptur eller är det en riktig?
Nej, det är en riktig. Det är någon sten på huvudet.
Ja.
If you do not, your hair will be in knots. What do you think, young lady? You need a hair tie? Hair tie. She's good? All right, so where's everybody from?
Here.
Sweden.
Sweden in the back.
Austin, Texas.
Austin, Texas.
Netherlands.
Netherlands?
Germany.
Germany. All right, so what does everybody know about the Everglades?
It's huge.
It's huge. 885,000 square acres.
Oh.
What do you know, sir? Come on, dude. You're sitting over here quiet.
I'm from Naples.
I know. Lay it on me. What do you know? I think I've had you on my boat before, as a matter of fact.
Been here, done that.
Now,
It's all good though.
is this what you guys picture the Everglades to look like?
Yeah.
Naples?
No.
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 Guys, everything you see out here, including the open water, was grass and palm trees 50 years ago. Trees you see around you, all red mangroves. Guys, federally protected trees. $5,000 fine, 6 months in jail if you remove these trees. Now the reason for the protections, hurricanes, tropical storms. Along our coastline, the decreased wind plus prevent erosion. Guys, coastline of Florida is 5 miles to your left. 70 years of saltwater intrusion has brought them in this far. Losing grasslands is a big problem. Gators need the grasslands to get up out of the water in summer when we have cold temperatures. Migratory birds, they prefer to nest in the grass. They like to see 360 degrees around them because we do have a ton of predators in the Everglades, especially invasives, pythons, iguanas, and tegus. We'll talk about those at our next section. Now also the grasslands filter out impurities, nitrates, phosphates, irons, another benefit. Now you guys are going to notice water levels are super low. Non-tidal, no high tide, no low tide. Wind and rain only. By the end of October, all the routes are covered. The water's 100% fresh. Winter and spring in Florida, we get winds out of the north and the east. It pushes this water out to the Gulf. By the end of January, we're in 1 to 2 inches everywhere. That's when everything fresh water migrates out and the wading and nesting birds show up. Now you six in the front, you're going to get sprayed in the face a lot. All right? When this water gets in your mouth, it's salty, it's brackish water. The way we get salt content, hurricanes, tropical storms, anytime we have a full moon, a new moon, plus a 40-mile-an-hour south wind, it will push salt water in like 5 miles. All right? Now, how exciting do you want this ride?
Fairly exciting.
Fairly? What medium? You're the one that sat up front, man.
I want them to get wet. I don't know.
I mean, I can get everybody wet if we want to. I would prefer to stay dry.
I'm good with that too. We'll go based on whatever you think.
All right. Now. states that feed them. They try to get better photographs. What people don't understand is anytime you feed a wild animal, they associate humans with food, and when they stop getting fed is when we have attacks. It happens every single year in gated communities in Florida. Hi, buddy. What we wanted, right? Now this question's for you, Naples.
Yeah.
Alligators have dark skin in the Everglades, but when you see them in your ponds or in fresh water, they're light brown and green. Why is he black? What's in the water? Tannins. So ladies, I want you to think about coffee, tea, wine. They all have tannins. We spill it on our clothes and stains. All right, but a fight between the python and the alligator, the python wins that fight 95% of the time.
Do they attack them often?
Yes.
Really?
And they'll eat them up to about 6 feet, so 2 meters.
Really? So they're getting the smaller ones, the babies, whatever else, right?
Yep. And they'll lay right next to an alligator nest and wait for the babies to hatch off and pick them off one at a time. It's sad. Now you guys notice every section we've been to, we've seen the mangroves, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna go 150 yards to your left. By and seeing her.
Wow. What about the noise pollution? Does it impact anything like these guys?
We've been running airboats out here since 1953.
Yeah.
Guys, I would imagine if the airboats ever stopped, they'd probably think the whole world was coming to us. I mean, birds now, when we get birds in the winter, the problem is, you know, a lot of the birds spook up and then they come right back down. But if we have a